Hello everybody and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Chayla, if those of you who are new, and for today's video I'm super excited because it is Christmas. It's exactly 5:09 Christmas Day and I'm filming my annual What I Got for Christmas video. I filmed these videos, I want to say I film these videos every single year. I don't think I've missed a year of filming a What I Got for Christmas video, and I do just want to say I'm not bragging in no way, shape, or form. You know, a lot of people try to I don't know, trying to brag about what they got. Be like, oh my goodness, I got a Porsche for Christmas. But it's definitely not even about Christmas. It's all about Jesus, if you believe in Jesus, or spending time with family and just being with your loved ones. That is what Christmas is about. And I'm so grateful for everything that I did get for Christmas. And I just like seeing what other people got for Christmas. So that is literally the only reason why I'm doing that. So if you guys enjoyed today's video and choose to subscribe to my channel down below. And without further ado, let's get started. Pause. I have announcements to make. So if you guys did not know, I started my own brand called Beautifully Radiant. It's a way for girls to get to know one another, network, make friends, just a place where like-minded people can come together and no judgment, just positivity. So make sure to follow my Facebook group, which is called Beautifully Radiant, and also my TikTok and Instagram, which is Beautifully Radiant Co. It's just ways to network, get to know one another, and learn how to live your most beautifully radiant life possible. That is what I created. So if you guys would love to join the group and support. Okay, so behind me is a little messy. I apologize, but I just have all of my Christmas presents literally in this corner of my room. So that's what we're going to be picking stuff up from. So the first thing I got for Christmas, I got an Apple Watch, which I'm actually very excited about. I used to have a Fitbit, and my Fitbit broke about 2 months ago. I couldn't switch screens. It would if I put it on the weather app, it would not go back to the home screen. So it was very broken, and I used my Apple Watch, not my Apple Watch, I use my watch a lot for work. So I asked for it for Christmas. So I got a new Apple Watch. I actually got this on Friday. I picked it up from Best Buy. This is the Series 9. And I know everyone has talked about the band that's going on. I have done a lot of research on it, and I've also talked to people at Best Buy about the band, and they say it's still gonna work and everything. So let's keep our fingers crossed it's gonna keep working. So that's just what I have. I have it in Midnight. They were out of stock in the Starlight and the pink one, but I'm happy with the black one. And then I'll definitely get a different band, but this is just the band that came with it. Next thing that I got, this is actually really funny. So my dream car, I have 2 dream cars. It's a Bronco and a Jeep Wrangler. I don't know why I'm obsessed with those 2 cars. My mom's not getting me neither one of those cars for reasons I'll talk about later on. But so I wanted a Jeep and my sister wants a Tesla. So my mom gave us, let me make sure my address is on here. My mom gave us both a box, and she wanted us to open it at the exact same time. And she was like, Chayla, I got you a Jeep. And she told my sister, hey, I got you a Tesla. This is what I have. I have a Jeep Wrangler. Oh, it's not a ring. I think it's a Wrangler. And I even got a bow. It's the color. I wanted either a white one or a teal one. Honestly, it's super cute, and it's so realistic. The door's even open. It's just a thoughtful gift. And not only that, she knows I'm obsessed with ducks because of the whole let's duck people thing. She gave me mini ducks. If that's not the cutest thing ever, I'm an honorary Jeep owner by default. I wish I was really one, but that's what I got. So I'm actually really excited about that. Okay, so the next thing that I got is some Nikes, and these are the Nikes Air Max XC. I don't know what that part means, but they look a little big, but they'll probably fit me fine because I'm a 9.5. But these are the shoes. I think these are so cute, and I love the teal. And is this makeup? Okay, I know I did not wear makeup today. I don't know, we'll figure that out later. But I love this shoe so much. It's super cute, and I needed a shoe that had a hard toe, because when it has that cloth toe, my toe always goes through it and gets a hole in it. I don't know why, but these shoes are literally so gorgeous. I cannot wait to wear them, and I can't wait. I feel I get tennis shoes every year for Christmas, mainly because I get a hole in them, and I it's just not the vibe for me. Okay, so the next thing that I got is just this Morphe palette. I actually have not bought anything from Morphe in a really long time. I think this is probably just like a season's gift or something. Not season's gift, but what's it called when that you can only buy at a certain time? Unlimited edition. I think this might just be a limited edition palette, but it's just a 35 'tis the season, and this is just like what the colors look like. If you can see it, it's a little bright. And then also I'm obsessed with Olive Garden. Olive Garden's my favorite restaurant ever, and so I do have the Olive Garden dressing that you could buy from like the grocery store, but since I'm an avid Olive Garden connoisseur, I know that the dressing from Olive Garden does not taste the same as it does in store. So when I opened this, I literally laughed out loud. I have Olive Garden that is the small Olive Garden containers that they give you like when you get Olive Garden to go. I'm a little stocked up, so let's just say my mom hit the jackpot with that. I'm really excited. And then I also just got a sweater. Not gonna lie, I don't really remember opening the sweater, but it is just this cute little cropped knit sweater. I think it's really adorable. The next thing I got is just this face cleansing pads. I saw these the other day at TJ Maxx, and I literally thought they were so cute, and that they're 7, so I can use one Monday through Sunday and just like clean my face with them, take my makeup off, and then just wash them. And they all come in different colors, so I think this is like really cute. Okay, so the next thing that I got is this selfie light. So if you guys have watched Alex Earl on TikTok, she has this selfie light. I don't know if it's this exact same kind, or it might be a similar one. It looks literally identical. I'm using it right now to film this video. I usually use my ring light, but I was like, let's just like test this one out since I just got it. And so yeah, I got this off of Amazon, and it is actually the best thing ever so far. Also got this. I found a similar one like on TikTok. It's not identical, but it's very similar to it. And it's just a multifunction 5-in-1 interchangeable curling wand set. So I can either use the clamper or the 32 milliliter 25 9 or 9-1. And I can curl my lashes. I can curl my hair with this. I literally think this is so cool, and the fact that it's like all comes in this little box, I think that's like insane. And so it comes with like 2 clips, a glove, and then all 5 barrels. Something else that I got is just this little fuzzy sweater. This is bright pink. It's actually even brighter on camera than it is, well, it's kind of bright in real life. It's just this little fuzzy sweater. It feels so soft, actually. I'm really obsessed. And then I really wanted a vest to wear to work, but I wanted like a thin one. Like I didn't want a puffer vest because like those are gonna be uncomfortable when I'm at work. So I got this thin black one. I need to try it on and make sure it fits. So basically I need to try on all my clothes to make sure it fits before I need to decide what I need to send back to get a bigger size. But thankfully I'm at home for Christmas, so like it'll be a lot easier. I'm usually out of town for Christmas, and like it's just so much work taking things back. So I'm really excited that I'm home and I'm here today. Okay, so I also got a new clock because my last clock broke and I've never gotten a new one. Well, no, I did get a new one, but it was like so tiny you could not even read it, and I did not like it, so I asked for a bigger clock. I don't use this for the alarm. I strictly only use it to see what time it is if like my phone's on the other side of the bed, or yeah, that's the only reason why I wanted this, just so like I can quickly look over and glance like, oh, the time's that, instead of like having to pick up my phone all the time. So this is actually the same one, similar to the same one that I got that broke, but this is just what it is, just a sharp thing. And then I got some more bedroom shoes. I get bedroom shoes literally every single year, and I'm obsessed with the little memory foam booties. This is, not even gonna lie, probably my 4th pair of these. I'm literally in love with them. They're so comfortable and they're so soft. I size up. I typically get an extra large, even though like I'm not really extra large, but I like, they're tight when you wear them and you have to like let them like break in. So that is why I typically will get an extra large in these, but they're so comfortable. Everybody needs to get these. I'm not even lying to you. I think that's everything I got for Christmas, other than my mom is a little angel, and she like created my own advent calendar for me. So every day the month of December I opened a new gift. So this is just like all the bags from her own little advent calendar. And then it had a whole bunch of gifts in there. So it had stuff like makeup, lotion, skincare products, stuff like that. So I have 25 days worth of goodies in there as well. So that's everything for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed, and leave a like and a comment down below. Also follow me on TikTok, which is called Chalaperry, and I'll see you guys next time for another video. Bye!